What are the ethical considerations in studying human behavior? If you're curious about the ethical considerations involved in studying human behavior, you're asking a very important question. Let's break it down to understand why these considerations are so vital. When researchers study human behavior, they have to follow a strict set of guidelines to ensure that the rights and well-being of the participants are protected. One of the most critical principles is voluntary participation. This means that participants must choose to be part of the study without any pressure or coercion. It's essential to make it clear that there are no negative consequences if they decide not to participate or if they want to withdraw at any point. Another key principle is informed consent. This involves providing participants with all the necessary information about the study, including its purpose, procedures, potential risks, and benefits. Participants must understand this information and agree to participate voluntarily. For example, if you're conducting a study with people who have low literacy or limited English proficiency, you need to explain the consent form verbally or use an interpreter to ensure they fully understand what they're agreeing to. Anonymity and confidentiality are also crucial. Anonymity means that the researcher does not know the identity of the participants, and confidentiality ensures that any personal information collected is kept private and secure. This can be achieved by not collecting personally identifying information, such as names or contact details. Protecting participants from harm is another significant consideration. Researchers must assess the potential risks and benefits of the study and take steps to minimize any harm. This includes modifying the research design if necessary and ensuring that participants can withdraw at any time without consequences. The principle of do no harm is fundamental, and researchers must always prioritize the well-being of the participants. Justice is another ethical principle, as outlined in the Belmont Report. This principle ensures that the benefits and burdens of the research are distributed fairly and that vulnerable populations are not exploited. For instance, researchers should avoid targeting certain groups disproportionately and ensure that the benefits of the research are accessible to all who need them. Cultural sensitivity is also important. Researchers need to be aware of and respect the cultural differences and values of the participants. This helps in designing studies that are inclusive and do not inadvertently harm or offend certain groups. Finally, research integrity and transparency are essential. Researchers must be honest and transparent in their methods and findings. This includes avoiding fabrication, falsification, and plagiarism, and having robust protocols in place to address any misconduct. Regular ethics training and open discussions about ethical dilemmas help maintain a culture of integrity. Institutional review boards, IRBs, play a vital role in ensuring these ethical considerations are met. They review research proposals, evaluate potential risks and benefits, and ensure that adequate protective measures are in place throughout the study. By adhering to these ethical considerations, researchers can ensure that their studies are conducted in a way that respects the rights and dignity of the participants, maintains scientific integrity, and contributes to the advancement of knowledge in a responsible and trustworthy manner.